WAHWN is really committed to nurturing and supporting a diverse, creative workforce for arts, health and wellbeing. In October last year, we ran some consultation sessions with the sector to really try and understand what the gaps and barriers were to entering the arts and health workforce. We devised a programme called Stepping In that included an intensive residential training week, mentoring support, opportunities to shadow an artist on a live placement in a health or community setting, coupled with full wraparound support and peer support. We received a high volume of applications, over 50, for just 4 places that we were able to offer in this current pilot programme.
I've been a musician forever. Stepping in was just the perfect opportunity at the perfect time for me.
I was attracted to Stepping In mainly because of the diversity.
I've struggled with my own mental health quite a lot in the past, and I've always found creativity to be very beneficial.
I wanted to find a way of bringing my practice into healthcare spaces.
You know, we had an intensive training week and that was like just a really good grounding.
Roedd y wythnos preswyl yn Caerdydd yn lot o hwyl I drefnu. Y peth mwyaf pwysig oedd creu raglen o hyfforddiant amrywiol yn cynnwys amser efo artistiaid ac facilitators eraill sydd wedi gweithio yn y byd celfyddydau a iechyd.
Practitioners were able to completely immerse themselves in wellbeing practice.
As well as all the experiences and the different workshops and art forms, I think the main value is sort of getting in the room with people that you wouldn't usually be able to. So for me, working with Hywel Health Board.
Like just the practical knowledge and tips of how to improve my work as a facilitator.
So I've done a range of activities. Mainly they've been kind of arts, visual arts focused. There has been a bit of drama.
We've worked with people from an acute mental health ward. I worked with a local charity that supports people with learning disabilities, done some work in care homes.
The majority of my placement has been on something called the Creative Home Delivery Service, where we go into people's homes.
Drop-in workshops with staff and patients, looking at the theme of what does it mean to care for carers. We've been working with inks and clay.
It's been such, I think, a luxury as well as a facilitator to have, you know, the time and the space.
My lived experience of mental health issues, I've sort of always been conditioned to not talk about in the workplace, and it's been really inspiring to meet other practitioners who actually have used their own lived experience in that area as a positive.
I think for me as a LGBT artist, getting in those doors is sometimes tricky.
I'd say life-changing for me, it really, really has. I've had such a positive effect from it. I'd say that I've gained a lot of confidence.
Still in touch with Catherine, and I'm looking at the moment at writing a proposal.
I've already got a little bit of freelance work.
I think the skills and the networks that I've gained have been really valuable, and I'm really looking forward to finding more ways to bring my practice into healthcare spaces.
With Stepping In, we've had a chance to try something new, to bring new ideas and a new way of thinking into our service, and we've been able to do it in a very safe way.
So having the mentor and mentee relationship, I think, has worked really well in this project, because it means that the mentee feels supported and guided and has that support when they need it.
This programme's so important, and actually so much of its success came from the mentees themselves and what they brought to the programme, their experiences, their skills, their different perspectives, and we tried as much as possible to create space for their ideas to be built into the programme.
Projects like Stepping In, I think, are so crucial and really too rare. I think as creative practitioners we really need to get together more to support each other and share our practices.
WAHWN is now committed to rolling out this programme and seeking resource to ensure that we can develop this as a long-term, ongoing programme, a sustainable programme to support a wider cohort of practitioners with protected characteristics, so that we can really play our part in helping to diversify the creative health workforce in Wales.